Yes, good afternoon to one and all.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, around 19 people have joined. Okay, we will remind some basic trigonometric formulas and yesterday also we have seen sin c plus sin d. Someone please remind what is sin c plus sin d?
Sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2.
Very good. Sin c minus sin d.
So 2 times of sin.
2 times.
2 times of
Sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2.
no. 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Okay, cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d.
So 2 into
So
cos c.
2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2.
Very good. When cos comes into picture, we have both cos 2 cos c plus d by 2 and cos c minus d by 2. Very good. Cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus
So
cos d.
minus 2 times of sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2.
2 sin c plus d by 2, right? Then sin
C minus d by 2.
no, that is the same. D minus c by 2. When we are talking about to c minus d, then the sign conversion sign is becomes minus. When c minus d comes into picture, we need to carry a minus symbol before the equation. That is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin
Yes,
c
sir.
minus d by 2. Okay, sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Okay, I'll tell you because around 28 people joined. Sin a plus b into sin a minus b, sin square a minus sin square b. When cos comes into picture, cos a plus b into cos a minus b, cos square a minus sin square b. Okay. Apart from this, we have plenty of identities. We have trigonometric relation, primary solutions, and sine law, tangent law, that is Napier law, cosine formula, projection formula, and area formula, etc. etc. We have plenty of formulas in trigonometric, and we have 28 people in the session, and yet I didn't evaluated the assignments. Once I have evaluated, I'll post it in the group. Please have a visit over the group. Then accordingly, I request you to respond over in the group. And okay, for today's class, yesterday no one joined. Yesterday itself, I have requested some people to join with us. I am requesting the same people to join today also. Nirmal, Nishant, Saravanan, Pradeep, Praveen Raj, and Prithvi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please unmute your mic and please join till the end. Please join with us. Nirmal, Nishant, I think Nishant joined. Please unmute. Nishant unmuted. Okay. Pradeep, Pradeep Perisami, Praveen Raj, Prithvi. Please unmute your mic. Pradeep, what happened? Pradeep Perisami, unmute your mic. Praveen Raj, unmute your mic. Prithvi, unmute your mic. And Nirmal, unmute your mic. Okay. Okay. Before that, in order to make you more attentive, we will inquire some other questions. And since okay, Nishant, I am expecting the answer from Nishant. Nishant, we two have same amount.
What is it, sir?
We do have same amount. Assume
Okay.
you are having 100 or I am having 100 and or you are having 50 rupees. I am also having the same amount.
Okay.
Okay. I am giving some amount to you. The difference becomes 10 rupees. Then what was the amount given by me?
The difference between us is 10 rupees now.
Yes.
You only gave me.
What was the amount given by you, by myself?
10.
Probably 10.
Yeah.
No. That is why I am asking. Any other answer? Others?
5 rupees.
5, sir.
Who said 5?
Five.
Who said 5 rupees? Very few responses. Okay, anyway, good. Five is the difference. Okay. This. Okay. Pradeep, Praveen, and you yet you didn't unmuted your mic. I don't know what I have to respond. How I am. How I have.
Sir, actually, Praveen is attending class in PC, sir. He don't have mic in PC. That's why.
அப்சல் சொல்லுங்க என்ன யார்கிட்ட மைக் இல்ல? அப்சல்.
hello sir. Sir, actually Praveen வந்து PC ல அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கான் சார். அதனால அவன்கிட்ட மைக் இல்ல.
ஓகே, பிரவீன் விட்டுருவோம். அப்புறம் பிரதீப் என்னன்னாரு? What happened to Pradeep and Prithvi? Prithvi and Nirmal. Okay. Another puzzle for you. Okay, I have a sum of 10 pet animals and few cats and few dogs. Few cats and few dogs. I have to divide 56 biscuits to them. For dog, I have to give multiples of 6 biscuits, and for cat, I have to split in terms of in multiples of 5. And what was the amount of cat and what was the amount of dog I have? I have to split the sum of 10 pet animals I have, and I need to divide 56 biscuits to them. And for dogs, I need to split in the multiples of 6, and for dog the multiples of
6 dogs, 4 cats.
6 dogs, 4 cats.
6 dogs and 4 cats.
Very good. Okay. A short man having his office in the 10th floor. During winter season only he is using lift till the 10th floor. But for the rest of the time he usually goes till the 3rd floor, and then he used staircase for reaching the 10th floor. And what was the why what was the reason for this happening, and why he is using lift till 10th floor during the rainy season. For rest of the time he is using only till third floor only he is using the lift. Any guesses? It may have a different answer, but please, any guesses? My question is understandable.
Sir, during which season he uses mic? Lift?
During rainy season he uses lift till the 10th floor, but the rest of the time he uses lift till third floor, then he walks.
So we have to tell why.
Yes.
Because summertime, if you sweat more, it's good.
Maybe then maybe.
Because summertime he was in different houses.
No, in the same house his office have in the 10th floor. His it doesn't depend his house.
Power consumption during summer is higher than rainy season.
A little louder.
The power consumption during summer is comparatively higher than rainy season.
Number consumption is huge, therefore he doesn't uses the lift.
The power consumption.
But till third floor he is using.
Yes, sir, but comparatively it will be changing later.
Sir, how did you start the question?
Now we get entered into numerical methods. Still, I am.
No, sir. Yes, sir. What was the description you gave about the man?
That you need to review.
Oh, okay. You said short.
Yes.
Maybe he can't press the button of 10th floor. Maybe.
Yes, of course. Yes, very good.
So then in rainy seasons, how is his height increasing?
That you think?
He's using a boat or something. I don't know.
Anand body given
With an umbrella, I guess.
Yes.
Maybe.
Yes. Have you got Anand Modi? Please go ahead with your answer. Let others can understand.
So in rainy season, he uses the umbrella to put the 10th floor, touch the 10th floor button, but otherwise he's too short to reach the 10th floor button. So he uses third floor.
Very good. This is what we need when you are attending the interview. This is what you need. Very good. My appreciation, Anand Modi. Okay. Concerning the today's presentation, we will start with the yesterday's Bender-Schmidt relation. Okay. The things which we have last class. In parabolic equation, that is we need to find the open region. Other boundaries are given. The given equation might be in the form of dou square u, dou u by dou t is equal to dou square sorry, alpha square dou square u by dou x square, and we doesn't have the y-axis here. Instead, we have t-axis, x and t-axis, and this is the parabolic relation. And by rearranging the equation, uxx minus a ut is equal to 0, and we are considered a is equal to 1 by lambda square, 1 by alpha square, sorry, 1 by alpha square. And alpha, concerning the alpha, we need to remember the alpha value, because the alpha is equal to lambda is equal to k by h square a. We have considered lambda is equal to k by h square a. This is the rearrangement over the equation, and this is what the Schmidt relation, and Bender-Schmidt. This is what Bender-Schmidt. When lambda is equal to 0, at that time the Schmidt relation becomes a Bender-Schmidt relation, and Bender-Schmidt recurrence equation. And when lambda is equal to 1 by 2, we can the results are convergence. The convergence range variate will be more. Otherwise, we won't get the correlation between the iterations. Therefore, it is advised to keep the lambda is equal to 1 by 2. When it is in our hand, keep lambda is equal to 1 by 2. Else, go ahead with your question. Okay, this is the diagrammatic representation of Bender-Schmidt, and this is the diagrammatic representation of the top one has Schmidt and bottom one has the Bender-Schmidt. And this is the question which I have disseminated yesterday. Find the solution of the parabolic equation dou square u by dou x square minus dou u by dou t is equal to 0. By rearranging this, that is u xx minus we have constant, that is a into ut. Here a becomes 1, isn't it? The coefficient which is associated with the t, we doesn't have any coefficient. Therefore, we consider a is equal to 1. When a is equal to 1, 1 by lambda square becomes 1. What will happen? See what will happen. And this is the given equation. And take your calculator till u is equal to 5. That is t is equal to 5. We need to find the values of u. And here, see, lambda is equal to k by h square a. Here a, the term which is associated with t is 1, and k and h given in the problem itself 1. Therefore, our lambda becomes 1. Here, importantly, lambda is equal to 1, which is greater than 1 by 2. Oh, there is no don't consider, there is no need to worry about the results. When the iteration of iteration 2 doesn't have any relation over the iteration 1. Therefore, no need to worry about the iteration results. We'll go ahead with the question, and that is let x is equal to IH, y is equal to JK. Since h and k is equal to 1, we get x is equal to I and y is equal to j. From the given condition, that is, we have u 0 comma t is equal to 0. That is u 0 comma j is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, that describes t-axis. When in t-axis we have x is equal to 0, we need to consider j is equal to 1, 2, 3 till 5. And the second boundary condition, u 4 comma t is equal to 0, 4 comma j is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. That is parallel to the time axis. We are going to apply j is equal to 1, 2, 3 till 5. And u is equal to x comma 0. This is in where t is equal to 0. In x-axis t equal to 0. The relation to find the unknown is x into 4 minus x. Instead x, we are going to apply I into 4 minus I. When I is equal to 0, u becomes 0. 0 into anything will become 0. When I is equal to 1, 4 minus 1 becomes 3. 3 into 1 becomes 3. When I is equal to 2, 2 into 2 we will get 4. When I is equal to 3, 3 into 1 will get 3. When I is equal to 4, u becomes 0. 4 minus 4 becomes 0. Therefore, skimmed recurrence relation becomes when lambda is equal to 1. When lambda is equal to 1, what will happen here? 1 into the value u I plus 1 comma j plus 1 minus 2 into lambda. 1 minus 2 into lambda. Lambda becomes 1. Therefore, this term becomes minus comma j plus u I minus 1 comma j. This is the derived schematic relation for finding the unknown for this particular problem. Based on this equation number 4, we are going to solve the problem and see what was there in the relation. And this is the term uij. Usually we will find uij in Laplace and Poisson, but here ui comma j plus 1, we are going to find the open region, that is top. We are going to consider the vertical upper portion, and this 3 we need to remember, that is this is I plus 1 comma j minus I comma j I minus 1 comma j. I can rearrange this equation into this becomes I am trying to keep this as a first term, that is ui minus 1 comma j minus ui comma j plus ui plus 1 comma j, and from LHS middle term and right term, left hand term, middle term and right term, right hand side term, and try to draw the diagram, that is draw the x-axis and y-axis.
Sir,
Instead
can
y
you
we
move
are
to the previous
instead
page?
yes. Any doubts?
Yeah, like I couldn't copy the full thing.
Yes. When I am very fast, let me know. I can
Yes.
stop. No need to spend a different time for copying the notes. During the presentation itself, make a note. There are plenty of messages came from our friends. That is, we are having doesn't have clear notes. So what we can do, that in that way your friends are giving messages, and I am requesting you to make a note during the presentation itself. When you think I am fast, let me know. I can reduce the speed. Once you have taken the note, I can move to the other side.
Yes, sir, done.
Yes, this is what written in the last slide, and the rearrangements over the Bender-Schmidt, and this is the diagram we need to draw in order to find the unknown. And instead y we are going to use t-axis, and the x and t, and all the u is 0 in the left axis, and all the u 0 in the right vertical axis. That was given, and this is what we found. X is equal to 0, u is equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, u is equal to 3. When x is equal to 2, u becomes 4. When x is equal to 3, u becomes 3. This is what we found in the last slide. And top, we are going to find the top. And take your calculator and take your calculator. Here t is equal to 0, t is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Till 5, they are requesting us to find the unknown. And take your calculator. How we can find the unknown? And what was the relation? I have in the same page itself I have given the relation, that is u I plus 1 comma j minus u I comma j and plus u I minus 1 comma j, and what is here? This point I am going to find the unknown. This is the point I am going to find the unknown. And what are the parameters I need to consider? I need to consider this, that is u I minus 1 comma j plus minus u I comma j plus u I plus 1 comma j. And therefore 0 minus 3 plus 4. Go ahead with your calculator. Zero, please tell me the results. 0 minus 3 plus 4. 0 minus 3 plus 4. Yeah, what was the result? Or else use a minus b plus c. A minus b plus c. And give CALC. A will inquire. A is your 0 and B is your 3 and C is your 4. What is the result? Saravanan, Nishant, Saravanan.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the result.
1.
0 minus 3 plus 4.
1.
1. Okay. Okay, then 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 plus 3.
2.
2. Yes. Write the results nearer to the t is equal to 1. 1, 2. Okay. Then 4 minus 3 plus 0. 4 minus 3 plus 0.
1.
1. Yes, 1. Okay, good. And similarly, we are going to find the values at t is equal to 2. And how I am deriving, how I am getting the results, how I am saying 3 minus 4 plus 3, along with Nishant, Sai Ganesh.
Hello, sir.
Tell me, please join with us, Sai Ganesh, and tell me the results for t is equal to 0. 0 minus 1 plus 0. 0 minus 1 plus 0. Sorry, 0, 1 minus 1 plus 2. 0 minus 1 plus 2. Nishant.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me, Nishant.
0.
0
Yeah.
minus 1 plus 2.
1.
1. Okay, that was the result here. That we need right here.
Yeah.
Then 1 minus 2 plus 1. 1 minus 2 plus 1. How?
0.
How? Are you clear? How I am arranging these three different terms not to find the unknown? How I am arranging? Are you clear? Are you getting my point? How I am arranging 1 minus 2 plus 1? In what way I am arranging this one? This numeric, not to find the unknown. How I am making this sequence? 1 minus 2 plus 1 or 2 minus 1 plus 0 based on equation 4. What equation 4 insisting, and this is u I minus 1 comma j minus u I comma j plus u I plus 1 comma j. Based on equation 4, we are finding the unknown with the lower terminal. And as you said, 0 is the point here, and 2 minus 1 plus 0 will get 1. Okay. Okay, we will find t is equal to 3. 0 minus 1 plus 0. 0 minus 1 plus 0. Therefore, it becomes minus 1. 1 minus 0 plus 1. We will get 2. 0 minus 1, 0. We will get minus 1. And now to find t is equal to 4, this is the point we are going to find. 0 minus of minus 1 becomes plus 1 plus 3. 3 is the answer. And minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 becomes minus 4. 2 minus of minus 1 plus 1 and 0 becomes 3. And when we are concerning about t is equal to 5, 0 minus 3 minus 4 becomes minus 7. 3 minus of minus 4 plus 3 becomes 10. Minus 4 minus 3 plus 0 becomes minus 7. And see the different answers we are getting a different answer. 1 2 1 1 0 1 minus 1 2, and there is no correlation between t is equal 1 and t is equal 2, and it won't be a nice result for temperature difference problem. Here there is no other way. When lambda value is lesser than or equal to 1 by 2, we will get a convergence result. Otherwise, the results won't be converged. And this is what the results. And with this, we can wind up the problem. Do you have any query with the findings? Do you have any query now to find the results?
Yes, understand.
Okay, we'll continue. Okay, once the attendance is over, we'll continue the session. Sai Ganesh, what was the lunch break timing? Sai Ganesh?
120.
122?
120 to 2, sir.
2. Okay, good. Okay, how many people? 33. Therefore, 32 people joined. Only 3 absentees. Okay. Nirmal. Okay, Nirmal not yet joined. Bhavya? Bhavya also not yet joined. Okay, Kalyan.
Kalyan present, sir.
Archita?
Yeah, present, sir.
Yes. Kaushik, Naura Kaushik. Kaushik?
The present, sir.
Yes. Pradeep?
Present, sir.
Pradeep,
Present, sir.
unmute அன்மியூட் பண்ணுப்பா, அப்படியே இருப்பா. அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் கொடுக்குறீங்க, சம்ம சால்வ் பண்ணும்போது வர மாட்டேன்றீங்க. அன்மியூட் பண்ணியே இரு. ரவீன்ராஜ்
சார் சார் பிரவீன் கிட்ட மைக் இல்ல சார்.
ஓகே. பிருத்திவி பிருத்திவி எப்படி போட்டுருக்கிற ஒரு பேரை? பிருத்திவி எங்க? பிருத்திவிட்டி மைக் இல்லையா? இல்லையே. பிருத்திவியும் ஜாயின் பண்ணலையா? எஸ், பிருத்திவி ஜாயின் பண்ணல. 87. ஓகே. பூர்ணச்சந்திரா yes, Purnachandra is also absent. There are 4 absent. Is one Bhavya, Nirmal. 42 is present.
So for 2.
Yes, who is 42? Ajay, I have given attendance, Ajay. Okay, no issues. Purnachandra, are you attending? Yes, okay. I will give the attendance for Purnachandra. Yes, okay. Okay, take care, Purnachandra. Take care. Okay, no issues. I will give the attendance, and you can leave this in, Purnachandra. You can go and take care of your father, and hope very soon he will get back, and our prayers for getting very soon. Okay. Nirmal, Prithvi and Bhavya. Okay. Right, we will solve the problem number 10, and please take your calculator, and this is what I have, and here the solution is not stable. Of course it is not stable, since we have lambda is equal to 1. For steady state condition, we need lambda should be less than or equal to 1/2, and please make a note of problem number 10. Problem number 10. And see here, we need to rearrange in order to find the A. The term A is associating with the ut. Here ut is equal to 1/2 uxx, isn't it? 0 greater than less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 12, and t 0 less than or equal to t, and less than or equal to 12, and x varies from 0 to 12 and t varies from 0 to 12, and therefore with the boundary and initial condition and boundary x comma 0, that is left axis, when t is equal to 0, it should be a x-axis. We have some certain relation given. How we have solved the last problem. Similarly, we have a relation now to find the various x values, and in order to find the unknown, the leftmost axis, that is t axis, is 0. For all u value at t at x is equal to 12, the u value is 9. That is this is the vertical right extreme boundary, and this is the left extreme boundary. We have 0 at all points, we have 9 at all right extreme points, and this is what we need to solve. And by rearranging the given equation, the term which is associated with ut is a. Here a is equal to 2. Here a is equal to dou u by dou t is equal to alpha square u xx, and a is equal to 2. And here take h is equal to 3 and k is equal to 3. Why we take 3 and 3 is the t and x varies from 0 to 12. Therefore, not to make boundary within our control, within our hand, it would be better to keep the h and k might be 3, and therefore take h and k is equal to 3. Therefore, lambda becomes k by h square a, isn't it? K by h square a. Instead k I am applying 3, instead h I am applying h square I am applying 9. A, we know a, the term which is associated with ut, and therefore lambda is equal to 1 by 6, which is less than 1 by 2. The Schmidt relation becomes, here lambda, instead lambda I am using 1 by 6. Here 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 2 into 2 into 1 by 6 becomes 2 by 6. Therefore it becomes 2 by 3. 2 by 3, here 1 by 6, and the boundary. And please take your calculator and try to make the relation into your calculator. Therefore, that is give 1 by 6 into a plus 2 divided by 3 into b plus 1 by 3 into c. And based on this relation, we are going to find the unknown. That is 1 by 6 into a plus 2 by 3 into b plus 1 by 6 into c. And you see, give CALC, that will enquire the a. Right. Once the boundary is drawn, then we can apply what is a, what is b, and what is c. See what happens. And first we will find the various unknown in x-axis. When x is equal to 1, we have the relation. What was the relation? 1 by 4 x into 15 minus x. 1 by 4 x into 15 minus x. 1 by 4 x into 15 minus x. 1 by 4 instead x, I into h. I we are going to apply 3, h is equal to 3. 15 minus I into h. 3, 15 minus 3. Here instead we are going to apply 2. It becomes 6. And here 9 and 12. Here 3, 6, 9 and 12. Therefore, we will get 9 when x is equal to 1, 13.5 when x is equal to 2, 13.5 when x is equal to 3, and 9 when x is equal to 4. And please try to draw the various boundaries. And this is what the other boundaries, which was already discussed, which is given in the problem itself. This is 0, t is equal to 0. Left vertical leftmost boundary, and this is what the rightmost boundary, and this is, we have already derived this one. And this is the application of various I. When I is equal to 1, 2, 3, we get various informations, and but this is not necessary for solving the problem, but the understanding is necessary. We are going to find u1, u1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 based on the various u1, 0, 2, 0, and 0, 0. This is called left boundary, center one and right boundary, left, center and right. And please take your calculator, and as I said, 1 by 6 into A plus 2 by 3 into B plus 1 by 6 into C. Please give your A. Here A, I am giving A is equal to 0, your B is equal to 9, your C is equal to 13.5. And tell me what was the result. Tell me what is the result. Yes, no one. Saravanan. Saravanan. Sai Ganesh. Saravanan, Sai Ganesh. No, Sabarni.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Varshita, Sabarni, please tell me the results.
So, which result? So like which point? I mean,
1,
1 comma 1 sir 8.25.
we have already got all the results, but I am expecting the results from your side.
Yeah, sir, that is what.
Okay, then again give A. What is our A? 9. We'll find this point. We'll find this point. We need to apply A is equal to 9, and B is equal to 13.5, and C is equal to 13.5. Your unknown is?
So first we have to find 3 comma 0. So 3 comma 0 is 13.5. Then sir 2 comma 0. So 2 comma 0 is also 13.5 only. And so 1 comma 0 is 9.
No, find this point. That is 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1. Two comma 1. Okay, I think all are aware about the finding the unknown. This you can find, Sabrani. 12.7.
Yes,
So you
sir.
can.
Yes,
12. It is clear. You can find the unknown for various A.
Yes, sir.
The thing is, we need to apply. This is the formula. This is the 1 by 6 into this term plus 2 by 3 into this term and 1 by 6 into this term. And in order to find this point, 1 by 6 into 9 into 2 by 3 into 13.5 and 1 by 6 into 13.5. We will get 12.5. In order to find this point, and 1 by 6 into 13.5 plus 2 by 3 into 13.5 plus 1 by 6 into 9. We'll get 12.75. Similarly, we need to find various j values, various boundaries till j is equal to 0. And see the results. It has concurrence. 8, 7, 7 and 6 and 12, 11, 10 and 12, 11, 10. Therefore, the solution are stable. When lambda value is lesser than 1.2, then the results will be stable. Else the results won't stable, and this is the results for this particular problem. Please make a note. This is for your practice. Still, I have solved the problem. Please make a note. Even you can find the solution in the video itself, and please you try to solve the problem. Solve dou square u by dou x square is equal to dou u by dou t given. This is 0 comma t is equal to 0. 0 comma t is equal to. Wait, I'll check and tell you. 0 0 0 comma t is equal to 0, and u of phi comma t is equal to 0. Phi comma t is equal to 0, and x comma 0 is equal to x square into 25 minus x square. Find u in range of in the range taking h is equal to 1 and up to 3 seconds using Bender-Schmidt recurrence equation. Up to 3 seconds, they are describing the second, and here see, this is the leftmost boundary, this is the rightmost boundary. In leftmost boundary, all the values are equal to 0, and similarly in the rightmost boundary, all the values are equal to 0. But we need to find the x-axis, that is horizontal bottom. We need to find with the aid of this relation. Here they are assisting us to find the unknown till t is equal to 3, isn't it? Therefore, we can solve t is equal to 1, t is equal to 2, and t is equal to 3 when they are seeking, when they are advising us to find the result till t is equal to 3. Then we can divide our t into 0.51, 1.52, and 2.5 and 3. In that way, we can solve. And please solve. I will show the slides. And once if anyone unable to solve means, please make a note with this presentation. That is a is equal to 1 and h is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 when k becomes 1 by 2. Here when k becomes 1 by 2, the results will be stable. And these are the subsequent slides, and the horizontal x-axis and the Bender-Schmidt relation. And this is what the results. And please make a note, or please solve on your own. Do you have any doubts with the presentation? Are you clear with the Bender-Schmidt recurrence equation? Do you have any doubts? Dear students, do you have any doubts in?
Yes.
No doubt, sir.
Yes. We are in which elliptic or parabolic or hyperbolic? We are solving which type of problems?
Parabolic.
Yes, parabolic. In elliptic, we have concerned about Laplace and Poisson. In parabolic, we so far we have seen Schmidt and Bender-Schmidt. In the next week class, we will see Frank-Nicholson method to find unknowns. There are 3 different classifications or 3 different approaches are available in Poisson, and all the 3 we are going to have a visit. And already we have saw Schmidt and Bender-Schmidt. In the next class, we will see Frank-Nicholson, and the parabolic relation giving an idea now to find the temperature flow. We can find the temperature differences in the in a particular place or a point, and the hyperbolic relation gives an idea now to find the wave equation. We are going to solve the wave equation under the head of hyperbolic. Okay, if you doesn't have any doubts, we'll wind up here. And thank you, Nanda. And we'll meet. Tell me, yes, sir.
Sir, can you please repeat the CT portions once again? You said
Yeah.
Yes, you have CT 12th 3 to 4. I have already assigned the question in the Google, and you will once 12 during 12th October at 3
No, sir,
o'clock.
the syllabus, like
Yes, yes,
till.
Unit 2 and Unit 3.
Can you tell the topic name?
All the topics in the syllabus.
So like unit 2 and unit 3, right? Only.
Yes, yes.
Not
Unit
unit
2.
4, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Unit 2 and Unit 3, all the points which was discussed in Unit 2 and Unit 3 is the syllabus. And when Nishant is concerning about the topics, I'll tell you the topic: linear system, Gaussian elimination, pivoting, LU factorization, tridimensional system, and iterative methods. And in Unit 3, we have seen roots of nonlinear equation, bisection method, Newton-Raphson iteration, interpolation of functions by the polynomial. And no need to worry about the Lagrange interpolation and triangular family, numerical differentiation integration that we are going to see.
Okay.
Okay, that is 1.5 units for CP1.
Okay.
Okay, be prepared for your examination, and we'll
How
meet
long will
during.
the test be?
Tell me.
How long will the test be?
3 to 4. 3 to 4.
Sound like extra
3 to
time for
4.
uploading?
Yes,
Yeah,
the
sir,
thing
for scanning people in need time.
is, till 5 o'clock you can upload your answers. 1 hour I have given 1 hour time.
Yes,
3 to
yes.
4 you can take time, but you need to upload within 5.
Okay.
30 I think 25 marks. The question paper for asked for 25 marks, and CT1 planned for 25 and CT2 planned for 25, and assignment for 20, and end semester for 30.
Okay, sir.
Okay, welcome. You please join.
Thank you.
Yes. We'll wind up here.
Okay.